Hello and welcome to the Berman Fan TV. It's the uncensored match preview show live as SMB taking on Alaska Aces in game number 6 of the best of 7 finals of the PBA Philippine Cup, which is held tomorrow at 7 p.m. at the Smart Araneta Coliseum. SMB still trending by 3-2 against Alaska Aces in this series. San Miguel Beermen needs another win, a one-shot, a redemption. So SMB a last chance to win this ball game. However, Alaska trying to seeking their finishing blow as they will bring home for the Philippine Cup trophy of the PBA. If SMB wins, then there will be another game which is on February at the MOA Arena. Junmar Fajardo still limping up on a limit to play as Junmar takes advantage on the doctor's prescription. However, the doctor said still on the green signal, which means Junmar is okay to play in a 100% since game 5. But I think Junmar should be still on the bench in 100% fit because Fajardo still limping up on injury pain once again as the medical team had to watch him. Arvin Santos, Alex Cabagnot, and Gabby Espinas looking on for another best part of their game. They need to score a triple-double on its Game 6 if they say so. Some other teammates of the Beermen should guided once again in perfect form. Kaya si Espinas kasi ay hindi katulad ni Lasseter or si Tubidman, lalo pang i-change ang mind niya kung maglalaro pa siya sa substitution. Kaya kailangang galingan niya sa shooting at wag sanang ma-foul trouble ulit sa game 6. Ang starting 5 sa akin will be Del Campo, Santos, Cabagnot, Lutz, and Lasseter. Again, ang starting 5 sa akin will be Del Campo, Lutz, Lasseter, and Cabagnot. I think Arvin Santos will get on the bench, but he will sub us early after 3 to 4 minutes in game number 6. My predictions on the game, I think SMB will level the game. Fans will be 97-95. And SMB will try for game number 7. Anyway, let us tell us comment section below. Like us on Facebook, facebook.com/thebermanfantv. Like us on YouTube, like, share, and subscribe on the YouTube channel, The Berman Fan TV. Follow us on both Twitter and Instagram at The Berman Fan TV. I'm Andre Alvaro, and we'll see you in the next game. Ciao, bye.